Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to search and replace text or character on your PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now click on this edit option, this menu bar, and here you will find a search and replace option. Select here and first type your text here which one you want to find, and I'll get here human and replace with only man, and select here replace all, and also you can search it, and this one also show this here also, and simply select here replace all. Yes, and see this text is now replaces with man, and this here before human, now man, and also replace this one as what I replace with like, and select here simply replace, and next you can replace with a specific one and replace as this, and go next. I will not change this one. Yeah, this is, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.